Hey guys, my name is Damien. I'm with Renner Racing Development. We're a dedicated Subaru shop here in Los Angeles, California. We do everything from regular maintenance all the way to full-blown race cars, engine rebuilds, transmission rebuilds. One of the things we do most here at Renner Racing Development is 22B Replicas, where we take a regular GC, put in an STI or a WRX swap, whatever you guys desire. Here behind me is a good example of one, which is a 1998 GC with a 2005 STI swap, which also has the ABW 30mm 22B kit. In this case, this is going to be a pretty regular swap. It's going to be stock STI. It's going to be a nice daily driver for the customer. In addition to the 22Bs, we also do regular maintenance. Here we have a 2021 STI in for an oil change and some new tires. And as well, we also have a 2021 STI, which is a full-blown track car. It runs about 600 to the wheels, IAG block, has a Garrett 3076 turbo, sequential gearbox, full cage, big brakes, suspension, so everything. In addition to that, we've also taken care of all the heat management stuff, as that is one of the most crucial things when it comes to race cars. So we have a Ron Davis radiator. We also have custom molded heat shields for the header, the up pipe, the down pipe, the turbo, the wastegates. We have all the shrouding for the intercooler and the radiator set so that everything goes directly to the heat exchangers. Before this car came to us, the car already was making a good amount of power, so the fuel system in the engine bay was sufficient. However, we did add a Pyrotech fuel cell, which is about 20 gallons, so the car can actually run full sessions without having to stop and refuel. Here we have a 2021 STI with, unfortunately, a spun bearing. The car was ran with no oil, and the bearings decided to leave the chat. This is the new motor for the car, Type RA short block with fresh heads. The motor's gonna get an IAG oil pump, IAG pickup and baffle, just to ensure the reliability of the car going on for the future. This awesome GC was shipped to us from Texas for a full build, which we started with an IAG 950 long block, and from there we used a 3076 turbo again, and a V-mount setup for the intercooler and the radiator to get all the airflow down to it. As for the reliability, we have the IAG AOS, we have an external oil cooler, cylinder 4 cooling mod. Additionally to this car, we also added some AP Racing brakes in the front and in the rear. We're just about ready to wrap this car up. We're just waiting on the rear calipers to come back from powder coat, and the car will be good to go.
So I hope you guys enjoyed the brief tour of the shop. It's really cool to see all the different projects you guys are working on. If people are in the LA area and they want to have their car worked on, or really anywhere in the States, because you guys work on cars from all over, how can they get a hold of you?
You guys are welcome to get in touch with us through email, Instagram, give us a phone call at the shop, get in contact with us through any of the big social medias, and get back to you guys.
Awesome. Well, thank you guys so much for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one.